Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, what going? I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So people, before me go no further in the video or nothing like that, I would really like you to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if it's the first time watching. And if you're a new subscriber, thanks for subscribing and thanks for everybody who watch my channel. So people, we they were like 9,9.8 or so, yeah, to reach the 10k subscribers. So please, may I beg you, refer that video here to your friend, to your family, refer the channel. You see me? Alright, so I'm not drawing out the thing. Today we forward to talk about Spice and her baby father situation. So I give you a little rundown, and yeah, may I do that video here fast because I'm late now and may have work in the morning. So quick rundown. Spice son graduate and Spice baby father turn up at the graduation. Him have somebody have video him and the youth run come hug him up and stuff like that. You see me? So Spice took it to her Instagram page and write up some bag of thing, call him a cloud chaser, call him say you're never dead if him not see the youth for over 3 years now, and a bag of things, literally a bag of things. You see me? So there's this big debate going on now if Spice was wrong or Spice was right. So we are going to talk about that in a few. And one of the things where Spice never really like is that him put it on social media. So it really look like say him a run down the hype, so to say. Alright, I could put Spice because Spice career in the forefront. I could put Spice aside. So two parent, Zane. And the reason why I'm really decide to do that video here, because I something going on in a society. I something going on in a everyday Jamaican life. You see me? I'm glad say, well, not really glad say it can't happen to Spice, but I'm glad say that situation here occur where it got loud and big and every single body talk about it, so we can really shed some light on the issue. So a typical Jamaican broken family or single mother or, you know, two parents not living together, most time the mother and the father them can't agree. And the fact that them can't agree, nothing really wrong with that, but where it come in concern is where the children suffer, cause the children always suffer in that case. And right now we can see where Nicholas, that Spice son, was suffering. You see me? Because him really want to see him dad. Him run go hug up him daddy when him see him father. Mine, you know, remember say if two parents in our tag and war for the kids or them not deal and stuff like that, the people them not really go pick no side. You see me? Them not go really business who did wrong, who did right, who did cheat, who did walk out. Them just want the mother figure there or the father figure there around them. Them want them parents, two parents in a them life. You see me? And I feel that the two parents in a the pit them life play one very negative impact on today's society. You see me? So remember, you know, people, me not necessarily showing us shades at Spice, and me not showing no shades at Spice baby father. Me no know what happened. Me just see a video and post and decide to come talk about the whole situation. Now look at this. Me know Spice kids them have visa. You see me? Because in one of the posts them, she said him go for 3 years and a long time in passport, in papers them come through, and he never yet forward back at Jamaica come look for the youth. Spice kids have visa, so why you could take the youth them and go look for him father, or arrange come to some form of mutual understanding and carry them go look for them father. You know say yo that I go suffer the pitney them negatively, and people may just use Spice and an example because that are going in a Jamaica right now. We know say a lot of people migrate go foreign, you see me? A lot. So when one parent migrate and go foreign, sometime like it break the family apart. It break that bond between the father or mother and the child. And me I go give you an example. One of my close friend, and probably him a watch that video here now. You see me? Him have 2 youth. Him, what me fi say now? Him live at Jamaica, but him work abroad, not in the United States. Alright? So him go so booms now and him get a girl pregnant and the girl live abroad with the youth. You see me? And because the girl, like the relationship did end sour, the girl kinda keep him from the youth. And me and him all a reason, I said, dog, don't make because of the situation there will happen, keep you from your youth. Try call the youth all when she take away the phone and a bag of things, because him buy a phone, give the girl. You see me? No, him buy a phone, give the youth. So him can call the youth and him not have to go through the girl to call her, nothing like that. And the girl take out the phone and me don't know what she do with it. But that is just one example when I show you what go on in a Jamaica. So right now, I just want the people them use spice situation and looking at them life. You see me? More and the man them will watch this, looking on the life and look if you don't have no youth where you feel say you need to tighten up communication with. Because at the end of the day, you know, when the youth them grow big, you can't go to them and say, yo, you know, say it was because your mother fault. Me and your mother never really too can get along, you know. And X, Y, and Z. The people them are going to say, yo, you should have tried harder. You see me? And it's like a father figure or a mother figure is needed in our pitney life. You see me? Needed. That's why God didn't make Adam and Eve come together. You see me? It's essential, say a father figure and a mother figure needed in our child life. You see me? And people, as I say 1,000 times, me not bash spice and me not bash spice baby father. I just use them situation as an example. So me don't want when my book spice her road. Spice say, yo, me I eat the blue shoes there. You see me? So people, more on the comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you feel like a foolish me attack. And tell me if you know somebody in another situation there. Like the father have a willing heart and the mother have a willing heart. But just because the breakdown of communication between the mother and the father, the child suffer. You see me? And that's my forward to talk about today. All the best with Spice and our baby father. And the child, hope everything can mesh. I mean, you and someone not have it there to play for not have a good communication. And so you can play a part in your kid's life. Because people, may I say it again, it's very, very, very important for two parents in the life. You see me? In the kid's life. So, people, as I'm tell you, I'm not stay long on the topic here. Gone. Zane, big up on yourself. Don't forget, leave a like on the video, please. Comment if you like it and comment your thoughts. And subscribe if for the first time you're watching. I'm out.
It's your master to it, dog. It's your master to it. Tommy.